This is one of those purchases that nobody wants to have to make, but if you lose a pet, you definitely want to do whatever you can to bring some comfort to your family. We chose to get this pet memorial box from Chasing Tail. We were really happy with it. I have not put it together yet. We're waiting to get everything back from the company who cremated our dog, and we wanted to have everything all ready to go. So I'm going to go ahead and show everything to you. Obviously, we're going to get a smaller picture for him to go in here, but I love that there are places that you can put photos of your pet. So if you want to use this as a picture frame and know that you've got some special items tucked away in here. I love that it doesn't look like an urn, but it does give you a place to store those ashes and keep them close by. You can kind of arrange this the way you want. They have a photo, and then they have a little paw print and a place for their name tag. We have not assembled this yet, but we've got everything ready to go. I love that it's got this little picture frame in here, a little wooden piece here. And then if you can see inside, it will just slide back in here. This whole section in the front just comes right out, so it's really easy to assemble. You can just put everything in exactly the way you want, and then you have to mess with this front section once you put it together. And then they've also included a nice, very, very soft bag if you need that for your pet's ashes. We were lucky that the place that we have our dog cremated at included something for that. But if you needed it, that is in there. Now, I love that this kit really thought of everything. They wanted to make the process as simple as possible. After you've lost a pet, especially if it's the first time you've lost a pet, you're probably not thinking very clearly, and you might not realize that you need paw prints or think that that's an option. And so they've got everything in here. They've got the kit all ready to go. And so you have that. If the place that you have had your pet cremated does not offer that, they have all of the things in there. They've got a little rolling pin. They've got the materials to attach that in here. And then they've got a sticky tag to attach that as well. So if you don't have that available where you've had your pet cremated, they have everything available there. If you're gifting this to somebody, they include a nice little card. So this would make a really thoughtful gift. If you'd like to gift it to somebody as they've lost a pet, I would have loved this if somebody had thought to gift this to me as we've lost our pet. They've also given me full instruction. So it walks you through the process and adding the photos, doing the paw prints, putting the ashes in, and everything you need in there. We saved our dog's little tennis ball because he loved balls, and it was one of the last things that he had as he was put to sleep, so we'll put that in there. We do have his collar, and so we've got some special items that we put in there. The place that we cremated him saved some little fur in a nice little container, and so we'll tuck that in there. And then they did do a little paw print for us, and so we'll kind of pin that up front. And so we're definitely gonna tuck some of those special items in there and make it very nice, and then we can put this on display in our home. But I love that it looks nice. The quality is really nice. This has a magnetic closure, and it's on a hinge that's really sturdy. But then it just looks like a picture frame on the front, so we can see everything. I like that it's not all tucked away in a box. I like that we can put some of the more special things out here in front so that we can look at them. They're behind glass right here. So we can look at them and see them without having to pull them out all the time. But then we know that in here we've got some of the bulkier items that wouldn't fit in here. Then we also got this photo album here that we can pull out. You could even add a little like a 10 flash drive if you wanted to add some more photos on here. That would be a great addition to this. This is such a great purchase to buy as you're grieving for your pet. I think the process of putting it together is a great way to grieve. Sometimes you might need to take a little bit of time after losing a pet. For us, it's taken several months for us to be able to put this together, and that's okay. But having a place that we knew we were going to be able to put everything down the road, and having it being able to put some of his things in here and set them aside so we didn't lose anything, that's just been priceless for us. So I highly recommend this. I like the styling. It's nice and modern. I like that it doesn't look like an urn. I didn't want something very dated looking sitting on my shelf. And I like that we're going to be able to see his things and be able to keep everything close by. So I definitely recommend it. I'm so sorry that you have need for buying something like this, but I do think that this is a great way to keep all of those memories close.